Welcome to Cruise Jet Travel's room tour of the premium suites at the Azul Beach Resort in Negril, Jamaica. Cruise Jet Travel, where we have the 411 for your vacation fun. Take a look at this bathroom. I love the tile work. Some suites you will get double sinks, but either way, it is plenty spacious. Closet space. Plenty of closets here at this hotel. Both closets that you get will have drawers. Beverage center is refilled daily. Beer, soda, and water. Here's the second closet that has your laptop size safe. Now, this resort has a mix of king or two queens. However, you cannot pre-reserve your room style. The rooms are going to be at the discretion of the resort. But either way, it's all good when you see this view, this spacious balcony, and then wake up to these beautiful 7 Mile Beach views. Don't like the beach? Well, each complex has a swim up pool, some with a swim up pool bar. Yeah, man. So, thank you for watching this room tour of the Azul Beach Club in Negril.